In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot email campaigns in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to engage your audience and boost your marketing efforts, setting up an email campaign on HubSpot is a fantastic place to start. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head to the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for accessing all the tools you'll need. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on Log In. You'll need to enter your account details to access the HubSpot dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. Now take your attention to the top navigation bar. We're looking for the Marketing tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find all sorts of marketing tools that HubSpot offers, but for today we're focusing specifically on emails. Under Marketing, click on Email. This will take you to the section where you can manage your email communications. Once you're in the email section, click on Create Email. This is where the fun begins. You'll see an option to create a beautiful, personalized email to send to a segment of your contacts. Click on it, and HubSpot will provide a variety of tools to help you craft your message. Now that your email is set up, you'll want to make sure you're tailoring it to fit your brand or message. Click on Next to proceed to the design phase of your email creation. Here, you'll see the option to choose template. Take a look at the available templates and select one that aligns with your campaign's objectives. Don't worry, if nothing catches your eye, you can always start from scratch or tweak an existing template to better suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with the template, click on Edit. This will allow you to customize the content, images, and overall layout of the email. Make it as unique as your brand. After crafting your message and ensuring everything looks perfect, it's time to configure your email settings. Click on Settings to adjust things like the subject line, preview text, and from address. You're nearly there. The final step is to send or schedule your email. Click on Send or Schedule. This will give you the option to send it immediately or choose a specific time for when you'd like it to go out. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you're aiming to hit your audience's inbox at an optimal time. And there you have it, you've just set up an email campaign on HubSpot. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotions, or updates, HubSpot provides a user-friendly platform to reach your audience effectively. Thanks for following along, and good luck with your email campaigns.